Hey guys, it's Ken. How you doing? It's Sunday night. Just got back with a trailer full of motorcycles and unloaded them all in record time. I can haul 18 bikes in this 28-foot trailer and 3 in the back of the dually, depending on the size of the bikes. And I got the van and the 20-foot trailer. We can haul about 12 in that. So we can haul about 30 bikes at a clip in those trucks. And some of the bikes I got I got this drag race bike that was crashed. We're going to strip for parts. And then this is a bike we've been working on and off for a long time. Since last summer. This is an AT1 DT1 first year, the DT250. We did a frame off on that. We just got it running. Actually, Jeff Castine got it running, and we can't wait to fire it up. Here's another one we got at Ricerama. Jeff that worked on this one too. We bought this and going right through it. This is I think this is a 70 DT1, if I'm not mistaken. Then we've got a Honda Goldwing Cafe Racer that we're in the process, runs beautifully. We're in the process of going through this one here. I've got a Virago, European Virago, a Kawasaki KZ1000 Z1. These will all be restored. They're all in good running condition now. Jeff worked on all these for us. This one runs great. Actually, it runs crappy below 3,000 RPM. Above that, it runs great. It needs a new resistor, this resistor right here, for the fuel injector. This company that sells them, we got to get that, but that thing's dialed in. Besides that, I got an old Honda 354 that runs perfectly now, that we're gonna take apart and paint. And then I've got an SR 500 that we've been working on for a while here, well, a couple months. It's got a high performance built motor in it, high compression pistons, big bore, the whole 9 yards. Can't wait to ride that thing. And here's an XO 175. Motor's been rebuilt on that one. Jeff did that motor too. I've got Jimmy Else's National Championship replica Can-Am 250 1974 getting put together. And I've got a Yamaha 250 IT with all brand new plastics going on in here. So it's mechanically completely restored, new motor and everything. We're just doing the cosmetics on it now. So then we've got a sidecar rig we're doing this week, and a beautiful original low mile RD 350 and an old Triumph Daytona that runs like a top but needs some love cosmetically. So, and this one we just finished. This one has been one of our summer long projects with summer into winter and the fall, in the fall and the winter. This one just got done. This is going up, and I have 3 Harleys that are going up tomorrow morning, vintage Armakis and a Ironhead Sportster. This is the CR 250 American Eagle, like Ronnie Mac's Screaming Eagle that we're doing. This thing's a super nice bike. Daytona Special we've been working on since Ricerama. This will be done this week. And another IT 175 and a DT1 250 that we're doing a complete restoration on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bikes under construction that'll all be done this month. You'll hear me ride and give full history and descriptions on all these bikes as soon as they're done, so stay tuned. Been a crazy busy week. It's 48 hours till Christmas Eve.